Are you the type of driver who always expects the unexpected, especially when it comes to weather? Then you need a high-end wiper blade that endures through any sort of rain, winter spray, and road grime. Goodyear Silicone is that blade. As our premium top-of-the-line beam wiper blade, Goodyear Silicone is engineered to last 4 times longer than standard blades and delivers complete visibility throughout every season. How did we do that? We've designed Goodyear Silicone wiper blades with tri-layered wiping element technology. Layer 1, an infused silicone compound that lasts 4 times longer than standard blades and protects against ozone, UV light, and extreme temperatures. Layer 2, an advanced nanographic PTFE coating for maximum durability and smooth glide. Layer 3, a water-repellent formula that coats your windshield as it wipes, so water just beads away. We could have stopped there, but we're Goodyear, so we went further. Goodyear Silicone wiper blades use beam blade technology and an aerodynamic, asymmetrical spoiler designed to evenly distribute pressure across the entire wiping element, tightly hugging even the most curved windshields. What more could you want from a premium wiper blade? A universal adapter system for quick and easy installation and blades available in lengths of 13 to 28 inches? Done. Goodyear Silicone wiper blades. Performance you can trust.